Hello, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce you one of the Fred platform shoe items for this MovinsEdition series. It's a new product from MovinsEdition, and it's a Fred premium platform shoe product that can create a daily style. It's a platform shoe with a traditional shoe design that blends the white color of the body with the black color of traditional shoe design. It's a good model for those who want a clean and modern style. It's a premium platform shoe from Fred that can be worn in any outfit. Fred Shoes is a brand that is loved by many people for its unique design pattern. Nancy also likes the Fred brand. And that's why it's a Fred premium platform that can be styled daily with just one new product in the MovinsEdition. Did you enjoy it? It's a classic model and it's a white premium platform. I recommend it to Fred collectors or people who want to wear it on a daily basis. I wish you have a nice day.